Herbalife Nutrition Formula 1 Meal Replacement Shakes can help you manage your weight. They can also be used as a healthy snack to satisfy hunger between meals, or after a workout as a convenient source of protein your body needs after exercise. Formula 1 is the #1 meal replacement shake in the world, first and foremost, because it's delicious, but also because it's good for you. Each shake contains 21 vitamins and minerals, 17 grams of protein, and 3 grams of fiber, essential nutrients and vitamins available in a convenient and affordable shake. Our shakes are high-protein, low-calorie, balanced, nutritious shakes. They help you control your portion size and help assure that even as you embark on that journey to a healthy weight, that you don't do it at the expense of important, essential nutrients. Formula 1 is an affordable and convenient source of good nutrition. That's because of its nutrient density, meaning every calorie in every shake is loaded with healthy nutrition. And whether it's adding fruit, or nuts, or vegetables, or mixing 2 different flavors to make something unique that only you enjoy, we design our products to support you. You can even use Formula 1 in your favorite recipes to create something truly unique and nutritious. Whether that's a pancake for breakfast, a refreshing treat on a warm day, or your favorite dessert, the options are only limited by your imagination. Formula 1 contains soy protein, which is a great source of plant-based, high-quality protein grown on farms that we monitor and visit. We also offer shakes formulated with a plant-based blend of pea, quinoa, and rice proteins. From farm to your doorstep, Herbalife Nutrition is dedicated to providing high-quality, good nutrition to each and every person.